Cleans vinyl and leather. Biodegradable formula. Non-greasy formula. Non-silicone formula. Top reviews from the United States. It actually cleans and dries up well once wiped off. I bought this being a little skeptical. Tried cleaning my seats of a boat I purchased that has the latest vinyl that doesn't have a smooth texture. I also purchased a light nylon brush to go with this. I sprayed the seats down, went through with the brush and then let it soak a little, wiped down, and that's all that was needed. I tried other cleaners that wouldn't get stains out. This got every stain out. Amazing stuff. Then covered it with the vinyl boat sauce conditioner. Couldn't be happier.